Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, especially XRP, securing your assets is a top priority. In this video, we'll walk you through how to transfer XRP to a Ledger hardware wallet in 2025. This step-by-step guide is designed to be simple and straightforward, so you can protect your investments with ease. First things first, why use a ledger? It's one of the most secure ways to store crypto offline, away from hackers and online threats. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your Ledger device is set up and fully updated. Connect it to your computer via USB and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have it, download it from the official Ledger website to avoid any fakes. Step 2. In Ledger Live, navigate to the app catalog and search for the XRP app. Install it directly onto your Ledger device. This might take a minute, so grab a coffee while it processes. Once that's done, your device is ready to receive XRP. Step 3. Head over to your exchange or wallet where your XRP is currently held, like Coinbase or Binance. Go to the Withdrawal or Send section and select XRP as the currency. Step 4. Now, on your Ledger device, use the Ledger Live app to generate a receive address for XRP. This is a unique string of characters. Copy it carefully and paste it into the exchange's address field. Double-check everything to prevent any costly mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer and any required network fees. Hit confirm on both your exchange and Ledger device. You'll need to approve the transaction on your physical ledger for added security. Step 6. Sit back and wait for the transaction to confirm on the XRP network. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary based on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live balance to verify your XRP has arrived. A quick tip: always use a secure internet connection and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. In 2025, with evolving tech, stay updated on any Ledger firmware changes to keep your assets safe. That's it. You've successfully transferred your XRP to a Ledger. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.